back to GreenTGarden. We're about to unbox the Deerfamy garden stool. This thing is heavy duty. It holds up to 350 pounds. Good for your sitting down, kneeling down, especially if you're having a hard time in the garden, bending down and stuff like that. This is gonna come in handy. So today we're gonna check it out, show you if it's worth it to get, what is some good feature about it. I have one of these before. These are really good. See the good heavy duty quality. So this is really nice for your knee. So this one is the brown one, really nice right there, and we're gonna put it on the side and you could put all your tools in there. And this one comes with the gloves with the claws, so you could dig some dirt in there. Comes with a two-side handle. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, or you could kneel. So right here you could see you could either sit down, kneel down, and it's easy to fold away. So I'm guessing we're gonna be popping this thing out on there and on. All right, so with the handles, definitely recommend to get a hammer. Just don't use the metal part, use like the handle part or a mallet and hit it down nicely. What you could do, put a cloth in it and then hit it too so it doesn't destroy it. That's pretty cool. Oh, just slide this on right there. Garden, see, look at that. Got one, you got two, and that's pretty strong. And as for the bonus gloves, we'll put that in right there. Don't forget, if you guys want to get your hand on this, check in the link in the description box below. I'm gonna leave the link. Before sitting on this, make sure you're putting it on a flat surface. It's not high and low, or it's gonna go in or something. You want to make sure it's on a level. So I'm about 205. I know I probably look fatter than that, but we're gonna test it out. If I can handle it, you guys can handle it. All right. So got my garden bed back there. What I'm gonna do? All right. All right. So this is good. All right. So this is good, especially if you have like a back pain or if you have any knee problem and you're always like standing up, or sometimes you want to sit down and prune your tomato plants, or sometimes you want to sit down and just drink a cup of coffee. This portable thing is amazing. And I'm gonna fold it up and we're gonna do the knee position so you can kneel down, and I'll show you guys. I love the gray with the brown color. It's pretty nice. So all right, so we squeeze this. It's not hard, it's easy, and then you just push this down like that, and then look, you store away. It's the kneeling down position, and that's an extra one. You could travel wherever you want to go around in your garden or tight spot or whatever, and use those for your knees. This is how it looks, and flat surface, knee rest on this, and while you're doing your stuff, you could just reach right here, grab your gloves, reach right here. This thing is pretty handy. It's pretty strong. I gotta tell you, it's easy to flip both sides. And when you want to put it away, you squeeze the side and fold it in like that, and you get your extra part. And then you just carry it like this. So this product, for the price right now, it made well. I'm sitting on it. It's pretty cool. It's good. I'm pretty sure my kid's gonna be sitting on it too. It's not too cheesy. If it was cheesy, I'll let you guys know it's cheesy. It's really good and handy, especially I'm kneeling down all over in the garden, and sometimes I kneel and I'm kneeling on a brick or something. It hurts my knee sometimes, so this is really good. It's handy. So check in the description box for more detailed price and get your hand on one of these. This is a really good gift right here too, for if you want to give a neighbor or family or friends for gardening. It's an awesome gift. So if you live in a zone right now and you're coming out to fall time and you notice the temperature change in the night, this will affect your summer plant. The best thing you could do is start seeding fall crops if you didn't, and then get your garden ready for fall crops. Remove all these summer crops and get, replace those spots with fall crops, and this way you could have a garden still going. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more upcoming videos on GreenTGarden. I do have a lot more videos coming up, so stick around.